The numbers. So the first example is going to be purchasing a condo. So let's say you purchase a condo for 600,000. You got it in the GTA area. You're able to get a 2-bedroom, and you're able to rent that out for 2,800. Okay, so 600,000 purchase price, 2,800 would be the unit rent. Okay, so expenses. Now what we're gonna do is utilities. We're gonna assume that the tenant's paying the utilities. For improvements and repairs, what we do is we take 5% into rental income, and we have that for improvements. 5% we have for repairs. We take that number, we times it by 12, and that's how we get these numbers. Okay, so 5%, formula's up here. Insurance, let's assume the insurance is $100 per month, so it'd be $1,200. Let's assume you're not getting any property management. Let's assume taxes are $2,000. So $2,000, it's normally a little lower for a condo in terms of property tax. And maintenance fees, let's assume your maintenance fees are around $600. Could be more, could be less. Let's just sit there. Monthly cost would be $597. Investment. So I'm going to walk through it with this one, and then for the videos moving forward, you'll have a grasp understanding. It's going to be very similar. So 600,000 was the price we said we're going to purchase for. We're going to put down 20%, so that'll be 120,000 down payment. Closing 20,000. Let's say we have 20,000 for closing XYZs. Your initial investment will be 140,000. So your current loan will be 480,000 because you took 600,000, you put 120 down. So the mortgage you have will be 480 at 6.25. 30 years. Let's say your mortgage monthly is $2,955. Okay. So now remember, your rental income was $2,800. So in total, you had $2,800 of rental income, $2,955 in mortgage plus $597 of excess fees per month. So your total expenses are $3,552. So you're actually negative $752. So your cash flow at that point would actually be negative 6% based on cash on cash. So cash on cash is your initial investment. Here it is, 140. Your annual income is 9,000. So you're at negative 6% cash on cash. So you're probably looking at me like, Mike, like, why would somebody even do this to himself? Well, let's look at the whole picture, okay? So principal wise, they're still getting earnings off of their mortgage being paid down lower and lower each month. So this will be 4% of return. Appreciation, we said it's 9% appreciation because remember, if you go to the previous chart, there was a 45% increase over 5 years. Divide that by 5, you get 9% per year. So there's actually going to be a 39% return on investment in terms of your appreciation of your property each year. Okay? So your total return on investment actually equals 36%. $50,599. So even with a negative 6 cash on cash and even with a negative monthly flow, you're still in a situation where your total investment return is 36%. In the next video, we're going to walk through the same example, we're going to walk through single family home rather than a purchase to condo and see the difference in numbers.